If you're for sale by owner, borrow my checklist. I get it. You want to sell your home yourself and keep more of the profit. But here's the problem. Most for sale by owner listings, they stall, not because the home isn't great, but because the exposure isn't. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 professional tools that turn your DIY listing into a serious contender, even if you never hire an agent. Stick around, I'll walk you through them. Let's talk about one of the most misunderstood moves in real estate, and that's going FSBO, for sale by owner. Hey, I'm Weldon Hobbs. I'm based in Colorado Springs, but what I'm sharing today, it applies everywhere. Whether you're in a hot market or a slow one, every homeowner who goes FSBO faces the same truth. The marketing gap is real. Subscribe to stay updated on Colorado Springs and nationwide real estate insights, especially if you're thinking of selling on your own. Now, I completely understand why you'd want to go FSBO. No commissions, full control, and maybe you already have a buyer lined up. But here's what most sellers, they don't realize. It's the tools that professionals use to market, protect, and negotiate a home. They aren't agent only. You just have to know they exist and how to use them. Today, I'm going to walk you through 5 pro-level tools that every FSBO should know about if you want your home to actually go from listed to sold. This first one, it's big. It's professional photography and media. Most FSBO listings fail before they even start. I mean, heck, even agents fail because of this, because of bad photos. Buyers don't scroll, they swipe. If your listing photos look dark, cluttered, or shot from a phone, you've already lost half of the audience. Invest in professional photography, or at least rent a DSLR kit for a day, whatever you have to do, and add a 3D tour or short video walkthrough. Buyers today expect a full experience, not just a few pictures. Then you also miss out on the syndication power. Number 2, when you list on your own, your home might appear on 1 or 2 sites. Now, when an agent lists, it syndicates across hundreds: Zillow, Realtor, Redfin, Homes.com, local MLS feeds. You can bridge that gap. Sites like Homey or Flat Fee MLS services, they can give your FSBO that same kind of national reach. Now, without exposure though, you're invisible no matter how good your house is. And then another thing is buyer agent incentives, okay? So here's the hidden roadblock. Most FSBOs forget that 87% of buyers still use an agent. If you're not offering a buyer agent commission, that agent has no incentive to show your property. Even offering 2.5% can open up the floodgates of showings and buyer traffic without hiring an agent to fully represent you. Number 4 here. Then you have the safety and legal protections. You're letting strangers into your home. You're managing contracts, disclosures, and timelines. A missed document or a missed deadline, that can cost you thousands. If you hire a real estate attorney for contract review, that's great. Use digital lockboxes instead of handing out keys, and screen every showing request. A little structure keeps your home safe and your deal solid. Now, remarketing and retargeting. Here's the secret sauce that most FSBOs, they never touch. It's the remarketing aspect. When a professional lists a property, they run ads that follow potential buyers after they've viewed it. That's why you keep seeing the same house pop up on your feed. That is retargeting. And yes, you can do it too. Facebook, Instagram, Google Ads, they all have DIY options. You don't need a $5,000 budget. Even $100 strategically spent, that can re-engage people who already liked what they saw. Let me tell you about one seller that I worked with who started out as a for sale by owner. Their home sat for 25 days, solid property, great location, but barely any traffic. And when they reached out, we didn't overhaul everything. We just layered in a few professional tools, the pro photography and videography, the flat fee MLS syndication, and then a small buyer agent incentive. Within 10 days, they had 2 offers. We didn't change the home, we just changed the exposure. Their takeaway? We thought we were saving money, but we were actually saving buyers from finding us. That's the heart of the FSBO. It's not about effort, it's about visibility. So if you're selling your home yourself, you don't need to feel outmatched. You just need the right tools: professional media, MLS reach, buyer incentives, safety measures, and the remarketing. You can absolutely do it, but you shouldn't have to do it blind. If you'd like a no pressure walkthrough of which tools make the most sense for your home and your market, schedule a no pressure chat using the link below in the caption, or just give me a call. And if you're outside of Colorado Springs, I'll connect you with a trusted local expert who can also do the same exact thing for your FSBO strategy. Because the goal, it's not just for sale, it's sold.